nhiều của tay xuân để lụa thà bong tay kém đi sri nước linh một bàn lê chân bàn onตอนนั้นออกนี้ไทยนี่ยมใช้ของเราบอกผลออกนี้แต่มาđó cứ dương aiปรับปรุงได้เกมดีสตรีลิงบาเลเจนเลยตัวสับได้ Android บ้านแต่ซาแต่เกมนี้วิมันคอมโทรมกงี้การปรับปรุงได้เกมที่ไทยยืนมีช่วยใบแต่ไอทัวร์เวลาการบ้านม้วนหนึ่งดังของปีระเบียบปรับเวลาการบ้านเนี่ยออกนี้บอกเมื่อปีระเบียบปรับปรุงวิจมนสันจัง control ได้ยังดังมันเขียนคือ control joystick กันช่วยนี่คือยังสำหรับมันเชียร์หรือมุมมันระบบเฮโร่ของยืนจังตัวมุกตะกร้อยคือยังเปิด joystick กันช่วยហើយ joystick ខាងស្ដាំគឺប្រើសម្រាប់ move កាមេរ៉ាទៅមុខទៅក្រោយជុំវិញ hero control បន្ទាប់គឺ control attack គឺយើងប្រើប៊ូតុង X ហើយយើងប្រើប៊ូតុង LB សម្រាប់ skill ទី1យើងប្រើប៊ូតុង LT សម្រាប់ skill ទី2និងប្រើប៊ូតុង RT សម្រាប់ skill ទី3មួយវិញទៀតសម្រាប់ការទិញ item គឺយើងត្រូវប្រើប៊ូតុងចុចឡើងលើហើយប៊ូតុងខាងឆ្វេងគឺសម្រាប់ up skill ទី1ប៊ូតុងខាងស្ដាំគឺសម្រាប់ up skill ទី2និងប៊ូតុងនៅលើ joystick ខាងស្ដាំហ្នឹងគឺយើងចុចទៅលើ joystick ហ្នឹងគឺដើម្បី up skill ទី3ក្រៅពីហ្នឹងគឺយើងមានប៊ូតុង RB ដើម្បីភ្ជាប់ជាមួយនឹងប៊ូតុងផ្សេងដើម្បីប្រើប្រាស់មុខងារផ្សេងទៀតដូចជាគឺយើងប្រើប៊ូតុង RB បូកនឹង LB ដើម្បីប្រើមុខងារ recall ប្រើ RB បូកនឹង LT ដើម្បីប្រើមុខងារ regen ប្រើ RB បូកនឹង RT ដើម្បីប្រើមុខងារ revitalize ក្រៅពីហ្នឹងដែរគឺយើងអាចចុច RB បូកនឹង X ដើម្បី call for attack និងចុច RB បូកនឹង B ដើម្បី request backup និងចុច RB បូកនឹង Y ដើម្បី call for retreat បានអស់នេះវីដេអូនេះមានតែប៉ុណ្្នេះទេសម្រាប់របៀបកំណត់ឲ្យដៃហ្គេមនេះឡើងជាមួយនឹងហ្គេម Mobile Legends សូមអ្នកនរគ្នាចូលទៅក្នុង link ដែលខ្ញុំបានភ្ជាប់នៅក្នុង comment ខាងក្រោមដោយសារវាកំណត់វែងយើងខ្ញុំអាចដាក់ក្នុងវីដេអូតែមួយទេបាទសូមអរគុណ